Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. So today we're going to be planning in my catch-all planner, which is Moody Florals. It is for the week of August 26th through September 1st. And I'm going to glue it down first so they're stuck together, and then we'll go from there. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're joining me again to spend more time with me, I appreciate you so much. And yes, this is my very hated washi tape that came in a set, and that's what I'm using every single time to glue pages down. So I'm not sure why I dislike it so much, but I do. So today I'm going to be creating kind of like a lake experience a little bit. So it's almost like the summer is dwindling down, at least here. And you can start to see like a little bit of leaves changing here and there. So I wanted to create still a lake summer spread while I can. And then we shall go from there. But look how pretty this is. So I'm going to be planning all around this image. I really love what this looks like, and yeah, I can remove the washi tape now that the pages are stuck together and they're even. So we're going to go ahead, and I have created a little display of stickers books by me to figure out what I want to use, but I am going to be using the daily florals from Calivet Plan. I've been using that book pretty religiously in the last few weeks. I really enjoy it, so we're going to continue doing so as it's been successful, right? So okay, I need boxes, I need to-do lists, and then we can go ahead and decorate some more. So I'm going to put this box down right here. I can put a quote or something fun in there. I'm not sure what yet, but that's what it's going to be. And then I'm going to go ahead and use these really big boxes. They're huge, but I don't mind. I'll just keep them. I'll put blue on this side since I used blue on the other side with the checklist to kind of balance this out. But let's do the bullet points first and see how that plays a role in this. Because usually that will make a pretty big impact, right? Of how placement goes. And I am so sorry about that gush on my finger. Yeah, I've been cooking. Can you tell? So yeah, that's what happened. I cut myself. Doesn't happen very often for me, but once in a while it does. And when it does, it's not pretty. Okay, so let's keep going. Just Sunday, and then we're done with these circles. So again, I know I asked last time if you guys draw the lines or if it's just circles for to-do lists or if you do both. I was very curious. Let me know what you guys think. I am very curious to see how you guys do. Okay, I'm gonna add this faint blue. And then I'm going to add these like longer ones. Okay, so I do want to add this daily habit tracker. So we shall see. I'm going to cut this right above so it's not showing through and it's not like bulky. So those are the reasons why I do that. Now if I ever need like a two little circles for to-do list, I have that. So these are the florals that we're going to be using. They have all the colors, like the purple, the blue, the white, the greens. So that's what I wanted to use, but I also wanted to use these little boxes that I always use. So I just pulled out Mojo Jojo, her original book. It is used and abused and loved. So I'm just going to place these boxes all over Monday through Thursday and kind of work them into the spread somehow. And yes, they might be on the image a little bit, but it's okay. I will survive, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing these beautiful, beautiful images. So let's go ahead and put this right in a corner right here, kind of layering it. Look how pretty. I am loving it. It looks great. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that one is already edged for me, so I don't even have to cut it. But I will be cutting some for sure to kind of add that sharp edge that I like. Do you see that? Yeah. It's like kind of coming out of a box. And I know a lot of you prefer clear stickers of flowers. I am very much a paper sticker girl. It like removes the white lines for me so they're not visible. And like it's easier to cut for me for some reason. I don't know. And the color is consistent. Like it doesn't look different on a page than it does on my planner. So I think this is why I'm like such a big weirdo about it. But it is what it is. That's my preference and there's not much I can do about it, right? So I'm going to place this little flower right in the corner here. I probably won't, yeah, like I said, I probably won't go all the way down on that list. So, and if anything, I'll write on top of it. But for right now, that's what it's going to be. I still need to add florals like on Monday. I do need a little bit more boxes. I need a box for Wednesday. So I'll probably be placing it on that image. Not my favorite, but it's necessary. I need to be able to plan functionally. I'm gonna cut this and put it in Monday's box, kind of overlapping them. Let's see how that looks. Okay, I do like that. They look great. Okay, and I'm gonna call it a day. So we're gonna go ahead and punch it and cut it and do all the things we need to do to make it functional. And then if you stick around, I'm gonna start filling the spread out with you guys so you can see like what I fill out knowing already, like as I plan. This is a couple days before. So I usually do tend to fill in my spreads a couple days before with things I know or as things come up. And I don't have like a designated spot where I need to sit to write. I will bring this to work and write. So yeah, my writing is not always consistent and that's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and bring out my planner and we're going to go ahead and really quickly fill in the information I have. Okay, so I prefer writing in my planner while the pages are in. So I'm going to snap this back in really, really quickly. Let me know if you like the spread and let's go ahead and start writing in it. So I usually write my schedule. I start every day at 7:30. I might get there a little early, but typically it's around 7:30 a.m. I'm at my desk and ready to go. So that is my work schedule Monday through Thursday. So I know I am doing that. So we'll go ahead and fill this in. Also Thursday, yep. So there we go. Then I do have dinner with my girlfriends on Friday. So we'll go ahead and do that. And I have a hair appointment on Friday as well. So I'll be filling in both of those things. It's so convenient whenever hair appointments fall on the same day as like girls' night out. It is the best thing ever. So that's exactly what happened here. It was not planned. So we're going to go ahead and put this in. And then underneath, I'll put details once I have them, since this is such a large box. On Wednesday, I do have a dinner with a friend of mine who I've known for multiple decades now, and we usually catch up once or twice a year, and this is the day, so I'm very, very excited. So we're gonna put that in. And yes, I made a little dash underneath to make sure that I can put details under. I like that look a lot. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put in dinner, and I'm just gonna put that person's initials. Okay. And there's not much more, so I can just title the list on the side, like this week or something like that, and that will be it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you put in your planner ahead of time, and I can't wait to spend more time with you guys very, very soon. Thanks for watching, and have a great week. Bye!